Minecraft.
Okay. Hey, but we forgot to put the food.
The food. We're gonna have to get it ourselves.
Oh, but the good thing is, I have loads of armor.
Chris, you have to keep on your armor forever.
Oh look, that's my little place.
I'm putting my submarine armor in here.
Your submarine armor?
Yeah.
I'm flawless, so I don't need no submarine.
Yeah. He already has the lungs of narwhals.
Only for narwhal. Yeah, see? Just jump in.
Where are we gonna go in?
I'm in.
Okay. My world hasn't generated yet. Okay, I'm back. Oh, there's a zombie with armor. Let's double team him. Oh no, it's an anime archer. It's an anime archer. I'm out of here. Wait, I'm gonna wait for the light to go away.
No. Good job. No laggy time.
Oh, I did.
You did.
Geronimo!
Oh.
Do you see the thing? I killed him just.
If you guys have a Samsung Tab 3, tell me where the audio is.
I know where it is.
In the comment down below and tell me.
The thing is like in your thing there. It's in the... Oh, for Minecraft?
Yeah.
I think I know where it is.
If you turn your volume down, sometimes you can't hear your voice. That's what happened to me once. So I didn't upload.
Chris, help me!
Or I'm not sure if I uploaded. What do you want?
I'm a baka stuck in the water.
I'll kill you.
No, I'm a panda baka stuck in the
I
water.
can kill you.
No, we spawned in the air.
I can kill you.
How'd you get a bow?
Huh?
How'd you get a bow?
How'd I get a sword?
No, bow.
Oh.
Yeah, bow. You got a bow in your hand.
Oh no, this is the observer.
No, it's not that.
The black.
Help me!
What?
Take me out.
Oh, okay.
Help
Oh
panda.
no!
I got stuck in.
Don't worry.
Okay, baka's out. The baka's out. Dang it, I broke the wrong thing. No, I'm dying. You're stucking me. I'm stuck. Are you trying to keep me in here?
You only have one breathing hole.
Okay, I did.
No, I didn't. Okay, I'll let you out. But only if you say narwhals are cool.
What I know.
No, you can say narwhals and then pandas. Just say narwhals are chill. Say narwhals are chill.
Never.
Okay. Oh, you had one heart?
Yes.
You should have told me.
I don't know where I am. I'll explore this week.
I know where you are.
I can't find myself.
I know where you are.
This is survival number 1.
I know where you are.
And today,
I know where you are.
you might be experiencing lag.
I know where you are. That's fine.
Okay then.
First you gotta say no, they're chill.
Hello guys, this is survival number 1.
Oh no, I'm dying. I might die today, guys.
Why? You're losing hunger?
Yeah.
I still have full
Don't
hunger.
worry about it. Yes, I'm hungry. Not this really, but I do know where you are.
I know where I am. Chicken! That's really bad lag.
Oh yeah, he's coming. Santa Claus is coming.
Are you dying?
Nope.
Really?
One of them. planning to give you none either way.
Oh, you have a weird texture pack for your diamond armor.
What?
Yeah, look at me. Wait, look at me. Look at your chest plate. It's like diamond. See?
Oh, you try to kill me?
No, boy.
You said you better than that.
Boy, go to your own house. This is the back is layer.
This is our house.
No? This is my house.
No, it's our house.
See, it says Chewys Cave.
But that's the club.
How?
That's the club.
What, Chewys Cave?
Club.
What club?
This is our
No,
house.
this is my house.
This is our house.
Sir, get out of my house.
This is our house.
Okay. This is cool.
And then when we go to sleep, we could just turn this off.
Now we could just look out of here.
Damn.
I'm gonna go to...
See? How cool is that? Look,
That's
put
pretty
this
bad.
in. All of them turn on. Take this out. All of them turn on.
Oh, turn it back on. I can't see down here. Okay, I can see now. I know that's really cool.
What?
Nothing. I'm gonna go. I hear zombie.
Here we go.
I hear zombie. There's a zombie in Central Cove.
Central Cove.
Who's this guy? Narwhal Club. Only for narwhals. Are you a narwhal?
Yeah, you are. Go ahead.
I forgot my submarine armor. And something seems to be shooting. Well, who cares? I'm gonna go and die.
I need to go.
Where are these two ugly
I
guys?
need to go. I'll come back.
I punished the one guy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Narwhal here, and today we are playing some poop. And yes. Narwhal. Okay, your tablet's still alive.
Is it really?
Hmm?
Okay, I'm
Hello?
back.
I'm just gonna go on Panda's Island. Ooh, 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 I got shot. Ooh.
Is there actually an island for pandas?
Yes, this one right here.
Oh boy. That actually looks pretty good.
There's a skeleton! There should be no skeletons in Panda Island. Oh my god, there's 3 more!
Where are you?
I'm in Panda Island. Yes, it's underground, I guess, somehow.
Oh, it threw me all the way up.
What, the people?
Yeah, the
Meanies?
enemy archer.
The enemy archer? I'm about to die, but YOLO! So, say guys, I'm gonna have to dig right here. Ow.
That's it. I'm out.
You're out of Panda Island?
Yep.
We
Danger.
need to put it under construction. Do not enter at all costs. We gotta block it off. Because Eddie's gonna come here and destroy it. Okay, I'll do that right now, okay? Do you like my little tree?
Yeah.
Here's another tree. There's more trees. I just showed you a tour around the house for some reason.
He's not good in theater. I mean, I was amazed because he's not good at a builder. But he told me he was keeping a secret from all of us.
Yes. I have no more signs, so I'm just gonna have to deal without signs. Chris, I'm gonna have to block it off, okay?
I'm about to starve.
You want me to give you some food?
Yeah.
I have none.
I don't need it. I mean, I can eat some nothing.
You know that's bad. Oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof, oof. Ah, they're triple teaming on me.
Triple team.
If many of you guys know, I'm a PvP master. I beat John Cena.
Yeah, he did beat John Cena.
Come on, bro. This is unfair. He's been teaming with Lit Undertaker. But I beat them anyways. Oof.
You were killed by...
Oh, the zombie villagers! They have turned on us. They used to be our pal, buddy, chum chum, friend, pal, amigo.
Get back to the house and stay there.
Should I security guard it?
Blammo.
I see creeper. Stop it, zombie villager! That's the house I made. Yo, bro. Never ever take down my house. Here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What? Witch?
No.
Oh.
The screen, it just literally broke it.
Oh, what?
I hate when that happens. Like,
Oh,
the
yeah.
lag.
Post lag. Here. I'll block it off, okay?
Okay.
Is the house destroyed? Is the house destroyed? Or only a little of it?
None of it.
Oh.
Except the stairs.
Not the stairs.
No, not the stairs, but like under it, so it looks like nothing's holding it. Just cover it with dirt and it'll be all fine.
Only do the top layer. Did you like whenever I died? I was like, oof.
There we go. Now we put this there. Okay, we're good.
Come on, hurry, get in the house. Get in the house.
Ow!
What
Don't
happened?
hit me. Oh no! I'm dying!
You're just gonna have
If
to
I
die.
don't make it, I want you
Huh.
to keep my diamond sword, but give me back my helmet.
Okay, bye.
Actually, no.
Are you alive?
Yep, but I have poison.
Poison.
Keep eating, keep eating, oh yeah.
Chris, go to the watchtower.
Oh, I'm already fine. I'm practically fine. Oh yeah, baby.
Ooh, baby, a triple.
Oh baby, a triple. I
There.
have nothing to shoot, so how are we gonna kill him?
We gotta watch out for them.
Okay.
Look at the skeleton.
We just watch out for them.
Look how many times I died. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chris died 0.
I'm gonna have to.
Are you alive?
I'm gonna have to end
Are
the
you
video.
okay? I am too. Thank you.
Okay, let's do it at the same time.
Okay, anyway. Oh.
3, 2, 1. Anyway,
Well,
guys,
guys.
hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more videos.
Subscribe and leave a comment and do whatever you want.
Team Rod and
Perundas and
and
Bacchus
like
and
if
Chewies.
you want. Bye.
Good spice. Good spice.